Hi YouTube, this is Moni Kelso reporting on August 6, 2012 at 3:11 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. Just wanted to show you some fun stuff. If you look right here. Oh, what's up with that? And over here we've got all sorts of, there's a very distinct circular pattern here, and then you have the beams coming out, and those appearing and disappearing. Let's go in a little closer. See, they're coming out of here, and here Cape Canaveral, or yeah, that's what it looks like. And then over here, you can see what happens to this manufactured weather. Sometimes it sticks and sometimes it doesn't. Oh, did you see the wave? The radar anomaly? Look up here. Let's see what happens afterwards. Oh, and then what do you know? Everything starts sprouting. But you'll watch these manufactured things, they'll just like go poof and then gone, oops. But after that big one, there it comes. And then it's, see, that stuff gets blown away. So just an update. Thanks, YouTube.